In this video, we'll explore the most bullish crypto altcoins that are both trustworthy and established. With many projects rugging or scamming, these coins offer a safe haven with the potential to 20x to 100x in the 2025 bull run. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Pendle Finance. Pendle is an innovative project that brings a unique and fresh perspective to the practice of yield optimization within the DeFi space. At its core, the protocol is intricately designed to enable users to trade tokenized future yields of DeFi assets. This ingenious approach paves the way for a novel market for yield exposure, a concept that was previously beyond reach in the DeFi landscape. This market offers users unprecedented access to yield that they would otherwise have been unable to tap into. In turn, this fosters the creation of new, lucrative investment opportunities for investors who are constantly on the hunt for yield. Central to Pendle's functionality is the use of yield tokens. These tokens serve as a representation of a future stream of yield emanating from a specific DeFi asset. Examples of these assets range from a liquidity pool token to a lending token. The unique feature of these tokens is that they can be traded on secondary markets. This provides users with the ability to buy and sell future yield exposure to these assets, opening up a new frontier of opportunities. One of Pendle's key strengths lies in its capability to create customizable yield structures. These are tailored to meet the specific needs of users, providing an additional layer of flexibility and customization. This feature allows users to optimize their yield strategies based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. In addition to all these features, Pendle also introduces a unique staking mechanism. Users can stake their Pendle tokens, thereby earning rewards for providing liquidity to yield token markets. This incentive mechanism encourages users to provide liquidity, which in turn ensures a boost in liquidity. This increase in liquidity helps to maintain stable prices for yield tokens, thereby contributing to a more robust and stable DeFi ecosystem. In conclusion, Pendle is an ambitious project that offers a fresh perspective on yield optimization in the DeFi space. Pendle currently has a market cap of $650 million. We believe that a market cap of $40 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is roughly a 62x from here. Our second established altcoin in this video is called Alephium. In the rapidly developing and ever-evolving world of crypto, Alephium stands out as a promising newcomer with a unique approach to scalability and efficiency. This innovative platform, dubbed ALF, brings a fresh perspective to the table, offering a hybrid architecture that artfully combines the robustness of the proof-of-work consensus mechanism with the scalability offered by directed acyclic graphs. The unique nature of ALF's architecture is designed to address and overcome the limitations that plague existing blockchains. By doing so, it enables the creation of a more robust, versatile, and dynamic ecosystem for decentralized applications. This, in turn, opens up a plethora of opportunities for different sectors, ranging from finance to gaming. One of the key advantages of ALF's hybrid architecture is its ability to handle significantly more transactions per second than traditional blockchains. This high-throughput capacity makes it well-suited for applications that require high-volume transactions, such as financial platforms and exchanges. Furthermore, ALF's directed acyclic graph-based architecture eliminates the need for miners to wait for confirmations before adding new blocks. This innovative feature drastically reduces transaction times and boosts overall network efficiency, offering a seamless experience for users and developers alike. Security is a key concern for any decentralized network, and ALF addresses this through its proof-of-work consensus mechanism. ALF's versatility shines in its ability to support the development of new DeFi protocols and applications, facilitating secure and efficient financial transactions. It also provides a secure, scalable platform for creating and trading NFTs, a feature that is particularly relevant in today's digital art and collectibles market. In the world of gaming, ALF can also be used to aid the development of innovative, immersive blockchain-based games, offering gamers an enhanced, transparent experience. Beyond these applications, ALF also has the potential to streamline supply chain operations by offering a secure, transparent record-keeping system. This can improve the traceability and accountability of goods, enhancing consumer trust and efficiency. In conclusion, ALF is a groundbreaking Layer 1 platform that could revolutionize our interaction with decentralized applications. Its hybrid architecture, scalability, efficiency, and security make it an attractive choice for developers and users alike. ALF currently has a market cap of only 100 million. We believe the project has got a lot of potential and will hit a market cap of at least 15 billion in a bull run. That is a crazy 150x from here. As our third project, we would like to highlight Anchor. Decentralization is one of Web3's key values. However, networks are only as decentralized as the infrastructure they use. For that reason, decentralized infrastructure providers are crucial. Anchor, a Web3 infrastructure firm working with Polygon and BNB, recently expanded its decentralized physical infrastructure network, marking a significant move towards a more decentralized Web3. The company also announced partnerships with other major network providers. The expansion involves partnerships with several ultrasound infrastructure providers, including IoTex, Gateway, StoRJ, Tencent Cloud, and more. These partnerships are designed to strengthen Anchor's infrastructure and broaden its geographic coverage, ensuring robust support for the evolving needs of the blockchain community. By enhancing node availability and performance, Anchor addresses key challenges in Web3's development, making decentralized services more accessible and reliable. The move aims to fill gaps in node resources, increase node availability, and offer high-performance computing for various applications, from on-chain AI to decentralized applications. Anchor aims to make the adoption of Web3 easier by offering a platform where users can deploy nodes on proof-of-stake blockchains, stake their POS tokens, and access DeFi applications. Running a node for a POS blockchain is often seen as an attractive way to earn income. However, significant hardware investments and technical proficiency are often barriers to getting started. Anchor seeks to address these challenges by simplifying the node creation process to just a few clicks for dozens of blockchains. Node operators only have to pay a monthly fee to Anchor for various services. Anchor first launched as a distributed cloud computing network, aiming to use excess capacity from a network of idle machines, rather than relying on a single cloud computing provider. Anchor currently has a market cap of 250 million. A market cap of at least 10 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a solid 40x from here. Next up in our lineup of trustworthy projects, let's dive into Render. From animated movies and online gaming to the crypto metaverse, most forms of digital entertainment heavily depend on motion graphics and three-dimensional visual effects. Industrial applications of 3D graphics range from product prototyping and simulation to scientific and architectural visualization. As the demand for immersive digital worlds grows, so does the need for complex computations. The Render token is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. By leveraging blockchain, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access powerful computers for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network to create or rent out computational resources, accelerating the rendering process. Render serves as a bridge between creatives and Render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, promoting faster, easier, and more secure rendering. Render also enables crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an accessible ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas. Render tokens' GPU-powered renders are applicable not only to film production but also to video game design, VR experiences, and more, enabling the media sector to produce high-quality visuals quickly. Apart from encouraging people to join the network, Render tokens can be used to purchase computing resources. The Render network is a self-sustaining, mutually beneficial ecosystem. By contributing their computing resources and purchasing additional ones with Render tokens, users are rewarded, incentivizing them to retain their tokens as their value increases with demand. The token reward system implemented within the Render network promotes a healthy, thriving ecosystem. This incentivization approach not only encourages existing users to invest further in the growth and success of the network, but it also attracts new users by creating a dynamic and rewarding environment. This enhanced level of security, trust, and transparency is not just a benefit, but a necessity for the Render network's continued growth and prosperity. As the network expands and evolves, these elements will remain central to its operation, ensuring the Render network remains a reliable and attractive platform for users. This, ultimately, maintains the network's competitive edge and ensures its longevity in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Render currently has a market cap of 2 billion. Render is one of the most complete projects in the AI space, and we think that a market cap of 80 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a nice 40x from here. Our favorite Layer 1 altcoin with a larger market cap is called Kaspa. Kaspa represents a groundbreaking innovation in the blockchain technology realm. It is a transaction layer that offers instant confirmation, powered by a proof-of-work engine that not only delivers speed, but also scalability, redefining how transactions are processed on the blockchain. When transactions are dispatched to miners, they can be promptly added to the ledger. This is made possible by a revolutionary block DAG structure that forms the backbone of the Kaspa system. This structure is based on the GhostDAG protocol, which is an innovative evolution of the Nakamoto consensus, scalable and suitable for a wide range of applications. In keeping with the principles that underpin Bitcoin, Kaspa implements a proof-of-work mining system. Additionally, it adheres to a deflationary monetary policy and ensures no pre-mine or central governance, thereby maintaining the decentralized nature of the blockchain. What sets Kaspa apart is its unique capacity to uphold high block rates, all the while maintaining the high level of security that is characteristic of the most secure proof-of-work environments. Unlike many traditional cryptocurrencies, Kaspa successfully circumvents the trade-off between security, scalability, and decentralization. The decentralization of cryptocurrencies often necessitates a limitation on their block creation rate. This is to curb the creation of orphans, off-chain blocks that manifest during the time it takes for a latent block to be propagated across the network. However, Kaspa's consensus layer employs GhostDAG, a proof-of-work consensus protocol that evolves Nakamoto's chain into a directed acyclic graph of blocks, effectively resolving this trade-off. The result is a robust cryptocurrency backed by 51% security, supported by a high number of miners and nodes, and delivering throughput equivalent to 1 block per second. This makes Kaspa a highly efficient platform for transactions. Furthermore, Kaspa's consensus layer facilitates fast confirmations, thereby enabling use cases that necessitate immediate proof of publication, such as e-commerce. This stands in stark contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies, which are often hampered by slow block rates leading to sluggish confirmations. Slow block rates also contribute to high variance in mining income, prompting miners to join larger mining pools. However, Kaspa's fast block rate counteracts this effect, reducing the variance of mining income, which in turn diminishes the incentive for miners to join large mining pools, contributing to the decentralization of mining. In conclusion, Kaspa is an exciting and unique project that brings a revolutionary solution to the scalability problem plaguing decentralized cryptocurrencies. This positions Kaspa as an ideal platform for an array of use cases, including e-commerce and DeFi, heralding a new era in blockchain technology. Kaspa currently has a market cap of 3 billion. With the big-brained people behind Kaspa, a market cap of at least 100 billion is not crazy to think of in the next bull run. That is a 33x from here. Project number 6 is a Layer 2 solution called Arbitrum. While the Ethereum network is the smart contract network of choice for many, it can be slow and expensive at certain times and for specific uses. During high activity, Ethereum's limitations become apparent, with transactions getting stuck and news headlines featuring 3-figure gas fees. Additionally, when attempting to solve the problem of scalability, a blockchain's decentralization and security are also impacted. This is known as the blockchain trilemma. Layer 2 scaling solutions address this problem. Without getting too technical, Layer 2 solutions offer ways to use Layer 1 blockchains in ways the mainnet's technology wouldn't allow. Essentially, they help users enjoy the security of Ethereum without high costs. One such solution is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain that powers fast smart contract transactions while reducing transaction costs. In short, the Layer 2 blockchain executes the smart contract, and the Layer 1 blockchain stores the data. In the context of Ethereum, Arbitrum handles blockchain transaction processing and batching, reducing congestion and cost on the main network. For instance, DeFi projects like SushiSwap and Aave use Arbitrum to offer efficient swaps with lower gas fees. Arbitrum's Layer 2 solution uses blockchain rollups for efficient transaction processing. Rollups use a 2-layer architecture to process transactions off-chain before settling them on-chain. The benefit is that the blockchain no longer needs to validate separate transactions. it can directly confirm a rolled-up batch of transactions. This scaling solution differs from other Layer 2s, such as sidechains, since rollups typically derive their security from the main blockchain. Arbitrum's scaling solution uses a specific type of rollup called optimistic rollups. Optimistic rollups process transactions off-chain like other rollups, but add compression techniques while bundling the transactions. This compression helps reduce gas fees and optimizes block space by storing only necessary data on the Ethereum blockchain. Optimistic rollups rely on the assumption that most transactions are valid. They only execute a costly verification process when there is a dispute. Network participants can raise disputes for faulty blocks within a week. If any faulty blocks are present, the validator that approved them loses their collateral. Arbitrum currently has a market cap of $2 billion. A market cap of $60 billion is doable in a bull run for this leading Layer 2 project. That is a solid 30x from here. We are also heavily investing in a top AI project called BitTensor. BitTensor, also known as TAO, is a decentralized network that's designed to connect machine learning models, rather than computers or servers. Think of it as a global brain where each neuron is a machine learning model owned by different people around the world. These models work together to process information and provide intelligent responses, much like how neurons in your brain work together to help you think and make decisions. BitTensor's blockchain is built using the Substrate framework, which is the same technology that underpins Polkadot. Substrate provides the foundational building blocks which can be customized to create a blockchain that meets specific needs. This allows BitTensor to have a blockchain that is optimized for its decentralized machine learning network. BitTensor employs a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is different from the proof-of-work mechanism used by networks like Bitcoin. In POS, validators are chosen to create new blocks and confirm transactions based on the number of tokens they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This is generally more energy efficient than POW. The TAO token is the native cryptocurrency of the BitTensor network and serves several key functions. It incentivizes participants, such as miners who contribute their computational resources for machine learning tasks, by rewarding them with TAO tokens. To become a miner and earn rewards, participants stake TAO tokens. TAO tokens are also used in the network's governance. Token holders may propose changes, vote on protocol upgrades, or participate in other decision-making processes. Users needing BitTensor Network's machine learning services may pay for them with TAO tokens, creating a market where tokens can be exchanged for computational work. TAO has the potential to become a significant asset in the growing field of decentralized AI services. This could not only increase the value of TAO as a token, but also establish BitTensor as a key player in shaping the integration of AI and blockchain in the future. BitTensor currently has a market cap of $4 billion. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of $80 billion can be reached in the future. That is a 20x from here. As our 8th established project, we present Optimism. Optimism is a Layer 2 solution for the Ethereum network that utilizes optimistic rollups. This process saves time as individual transactions are submitted without proof of validity. However, validators have up to a week to question the rollup if they have any doubts. Optimism bundles multiple transactions into one and settles them on another layer, with receipts relayed back to the Ethereum blockchain. By bundling transactions, Optimism offers users cheaper transactions and an improved user experience. Optimism has become the second largest Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution after Arbitrum. The Layer 2 solution is also supported by various DeFi platforms such as Aave, Synthetix, and Uniswap. The Optimism Layer 2 solution addresses Ethereum's scalability issue using optimistic rollup technology. These rollups consolidate several transactions into one on the Ethereum network, significantly reducing gas fees by sharing the cost among users with transactions in the bundle. Transactions on the Optimism scaling solution are assumed valid by default, mimicking the innocent until proven guilty principle. Thus, transactions are processed much faster, improving the user experience. Optimism has a security system for transactions deemed doubtful, providing a one-week window where validators can submit and run a fault proof. This means asset transfers from the Optimism network to the Ethereum blockchain may take up to 7 days to complete. Once a fault proof is submitted, the transaction goes through a verification process against the state on the Ethereum layer. If the fault proof is successfully challenged, it's removed and reprocessed. As Ethereum's adoption grows, It will be fascinating to see how Optimism evolves and transforms to meet user needs. Optimism currently has a market cap of $2 billion. A market cap of $50 billion is doable in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 25x from here. Our penultimate project is called Injective Protocol. DeFi has quickly become one of the most popular uses for blockchain technology, replicating traditional financial services through smart contracts. Injective provides tools to build decentralized applications, dApps, focusing on these financial functionalities. It aims to create a comprehensive DeFi infrastructure that is interconnected and can access deep liquidity. Built using the Cosmos Software Development Kit, SDK, Injective benefits from fast transactions and the interoperability of Cosmos's inter-blockchain communication protocol. Injective's native token, INJ, is used for staking to validate transactions and for community voting to govern the protocol. Injective has received backing from major crypto investors, including Binance, and additional funding from venture capital groups like Pantera and Jump Crypto. The protocol has also partnered across the crypto space to support its development, including funding a $150 million ecosystem fund. Injective's primary role is to provide software modules for developers to build DeFi solutions. Because Injective's tools set a standard in its ecosystem, any DeFi protocols created with them are interoperable, allowing them to interact and share liquidity. Injective also addresses the front-running problem that has plagued DEXs. Front-running occurs when high-frequency traders, typically bots, detect trades submitted by individual traders and jump the line to execute more advantageous trades. Injective uses frequent batch auctions to solve this issue. In addition to liquidity aggregation, Injective maximizes interoperability using the existing Cosmos infrastructure. Cosmos introduced the IBC protocol in 2021, allowing various chains and dApps using the IBC standard to transact with each other. Through IBC, tokens and other data can seamlessly traverse Cosmos's ecosystem. Injective has also prioritized communication with chains outside of Cosmos through bridges, supporting digital asset transfers between individual chains. INJ is the native token of the Injective blockchain, serving multiple purposes for users. For example, INJ can be staked to secure the blockchain. Injective uses a delegated proof of stake, DPoS consensus mechanism based on Tendermint, to set the rules for processing transactions. Finally, INJ is used for community governance through its DAO. Injective currently has a market cap of $2 billion. We predict that Injective will have a market cap of at least $70 billion in a bull run. That is a 35x from here. As our final project, we would like to highlight a RWA altcoin called Ondo. Stablecoins have become indispensable for several reasons. Primarily, they bridge the traditional financial world with the digital asset space, offering a stable medium of exchange in a traditionally very volatile market. In this evolving landscape, Ondo Finance is carving out its niche by revolutionizing real-world assets through its innovative product offerings. Ondo's approach centers around tokenizing stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial world, thereby merging the best of both worlds: the reliability and familiarity of traditional finance with the efficiency and accessibility of blockchain technology. The structure of Ondo Finance is split into two primary arms: the asset management arm and the technology arm. The asset management arm is responsible for creating and overseeing tokenized financial products. These products are intricately designed to embody the characteristics of traditional financial instruments, while leveraging the benefits of blockchain technology. On the other hand, the technology arm of Ondo is focused on developing decentralized finance protocols, which are integral to the functioning and scalability of Ondo's financial offerings. A distinctive aspect of Ondo's approach lies in its protocol development. The protocols, once established, are designed to operate independently of Ondo. This independence is reflected in their governance and web interfaces, which are managed by separate entities, not controlled by Ondo. This separation underscores Ondo's commitment to creating decentralized and autonomous financial ecosystems. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. Ondo addresses these concerns by collaborating with established, reputable partners in various operational aspects. For instance, the OUSG Fund, managed in partnership with BlackRock and involving entities like Citi, JP Morgan, and State Street, exemplifies Ondo's commitment to quality and security. Additionally, the use of Coinbase for crypto asset custody further reinforces this commitment. Ondo currently has a market cap of $1 billion. We believe that Ondo has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 40 billion in 2025. That is a 40x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.